Project management in product development, essential role. What is project management? Project management is the process of organizing, planning, and managing resources to achieve specific project objectives. It is frequently employed in business to guarantee that projects are finished on schedule.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Project management helps on many other occasions in our lives, not only in the business field but even in some personal stuff like studying for exams or making a budget for your household expenses, including living. Project management is important to product creation as it ensures the delivery of the product on time and at the right quality standards. Additionally, it aids in the management of the entire development process from beginning to end for organizations. Project management in product development involves tuning the efforts of various teams and stakeholders toward the main objective of achieving the common goal of creating a successful product. This is only possible by performing a few key project management concepts like setting goals, creating schedules for tasks and budgets, making sure of resource availability, etc. Project management in product development steps. Without proper project management, product development projects can easily become derailed and fail to meet their goals. Hence, project management is very important for product development for important functions like meeting the desired quality standards within budget. Define the project scope. This entails determining the demands and objectives for the product as well as the tools required to meet them. The product for whom it's being targeted has all its bits and pieces so far in development status. This means figuring out the needs or objectives of the product and how the necessary tools would enable it to achieve it. With your target market, product features, and functionalities. It includes idea generation and conceptualization. Clearly outline goals and deliverables. Define key features and audience. Assess technical and financial viability. Planning the project. Making a project timetable, listing the duties and actions that must be carried out, and allocating resources to each duty are all included in this. Keeping the project on track and ensuring that everyone on the team is pursuing the same objectives is made possible thanks to this. Planning includes identifying the tasks and activities that need to be completed, allocating resources to each task, creating a project schedule, tracking the project's progress. Any issues or threats that surface while developing a product are identified and addressed, and any necessary adjustments to the project plan are implemented. That makes it easier to guarantee the project never overruns the schedule or budget or is of the required quality. Monitoring includes reviewing progress reports from your team members regularly, weekly or monthly. Identifying any problems or risks that might affect your performance due to time or cost overruns. Importance of project management in product development. Project management is critical in product development because it ensures the efficient allocation of resources, effective coordination among teams, and timely delivery of products. Not enough time is given for product development by dealing with and investing most of the resource time for short-term incidents. Micromanaging project development ends up overusing development resources to handle too many projects at the same time in such instances. Project management is crucial in product development for the reasons listed below. Scheduling and organizing resources. Scheduling and organizing resources, such as people, time, and money, helps to make sure they are used effectively and efficiently. This is critical in product development since there are usually multiple teams and stakeholders working on the item, as time and budget may not be unlimited. Defining the project scope. Project management helps in project scope definition, This consists of the objectives and target market for it. The view of every project team member who will be spending their time on this project is already aligned. Creating a project schedule, identifying the task of putting together a project plan by helping us to determine what tasks and activities must be done and who has the resources for each task. This will guarantee that all team members are working on synced goals and deliver the project on a good time. Tracking development. Project management facilitates tracking development and making necessary changes to the project plan. This ensures that the project will be delivered on time, within the budget, and relevant to proper levels of quality.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.